Hello everyone, good morning students. Dear students, in previous class we take and revise a very important chapter of your NCERT exercise, okay, and we discuss all the important concepts related to that chapters. Now dear students, we are going to discuss about the very important chapter of your NCERT exercise, which is what? Data handling. Dear students, first of all we discuss what is the concept of data. Dear student, data is what? Data is the arrangement of any facts in numerical form. Any informations, we arrange the arrangement of any information in numerical form and collecting them, collecting any news of any important things related to any observation, and we collecting them into the form of numerical way, then that is called what? Data. Okay, now dear student, this is in that chapter data handling we discuss some important concept related to data, and in this way we discuss some important question. There are three most important topic related to that chapter, which is mean, median and mode, and some types of question based on the arrangement. You have some data and you organize the given data in the tabular form. So this is very easy. So in that type of question you can solve very easily. But in that chapter there are three important things which is very important for you and your examination purpose, which is dear student mean, second one median, and third one dear student mode. These three things are very important for that chapter. Okay, now dear student, we are going to discuss about all these three things one by one. So first we take the concept of mean, and we discuss some important formula, some important questions based on mean. Okay, now let's see. Dear student, first of all we discuss about the concept of mean. What is the concept of mean? Dear student, mean of any data is can be obtained, can be find by the concept divided by the sum of observation to the number of divided by the number of observation. Okay, dear student, mean is also known as the average, or also known as the arithmetic mean. Okay, dear student, mean of any data is also known as average and or also known as what? Arithmetic mean. Okay, so you can say simply the mean. Okay, and the mean is what? Dear student, mean is obtained by sum of observations, is divided by number of observations, Okay, so dear students, this is one of the most important concept. This is the basic concept of basic concepts related to mean. Means mean is what? Mean is of any data is obtained by divided the sum of observations. Okay, sum of observation is obtained by the sum of observations divided by the number of observations. So the general formula for mean. So the formula for mean, dear student, what? Sum of observations upon number of observation. Okay, so dear student, this is very important formula for mean. Means mean is equal to sum of observations upon what? Number of observations. Okay, dear students. Now dear students, suppose that let n number of n observations are, let n observations are x1 comma x2 comma x3 and dot so on comma xn, then its mean will be what? Okay, let's see. Then its mean, generally the student mean of any, here the where we take the variable x, so generally mean is taken by the letter in this way, x bar, where x bar is defined as what? Mean. This is also known as the mean. Okay, so mean of that observations is what? Sum of observation divided by the number of observations. So sum of observation is what? x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus n dot so on plus xn upon number of the, how many observations are there? That is n. So divided by n. So in this way we form the formula of that type of questions. Okay. So in this way, we clear the concept. We clear the concept of mean. Thus, mean is the observations of any data. One observation of data is obtained by the sum of observations divided by the number of observation. It is also said as average or arithmetic mean. Okay, so now clear the concept of mean. Now, we take and solve some important questions of your NCERT exercise based on the topic mean. Let's see. Now let's see, dear students. We take a question. Let's see. Find the mean of first 7 natural numbers. First 7 natural numbers. Okay, dear students. Now let's see. Here what do we do? In that question we find the mean of first 7 natural numbers. First of all, we find the data. What is the observations of according to this question? You know that dear students ki all counting numbers is starting from 1. It is called what? Natural number. So here in that question we find what? We find the mean of first 7 natural numbers. So the first of all we write the first 7 natural numbers. Let's see its solution. Yes, sir, we know that the first 7 natural numbers are, the first 7 natural numbers are what? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Because of that the natural number is starting from 1 na, so here we take as the first 7 natural numbers are what? First 7 natural numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So in this way we get the observations are there. 7 observations are there. Now what we find? Dear student, we find what? We find the mean of the given observation. Thus mean will be what? Let's see. Thus mean is what? Sum of observations. Let's see. Sum of observations divided by what? Number of observations. Okay, dear students. Here mean is equal to the sum of observations divided by the number of observations. Now that is, we write the mean is equal to sum of observation. What we write? Let's see. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7. Okay, these are the 7 observations are there, which is divided by number of observation. How many numbers of observation are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That is 7. Okay, now we simplifying them. Let's see. Thus 21 28 upon 7. Okay, we now if we adding them, we get 28 upon 7. Okay, we adding them and divided by the number of observation as 7, so we get 28 upon 7, and after solving them, let's see, 7 for the 28, that is 4. Thus the mean of the required observation, given observations is what? 4. This is our required solution of the given question. This is the required solution of the given question. Okay, thus dear students, in this way, dear student, you can solve each and every question of your NCERT exercise based on the topic mean. Now dear student, we take and solve some other important question of your NCERT exercise based on the topic mean. Let's see. Let's see question. Find the mean of first 6 multiples of 5. Okay, we take a very important question based on the mean. What is the question? Find the mean of first 6 multiples of 5. Now dear student, first of all, what is the concept of first 5 what is the concept of first 6 multiples of 5? Dear student, the concept of first 6 multiples of 5 means 5, 10, okay, 15, 20, 25 till 6 multiples. Okay, so this is the concept of that sentence. Now first of all, we form what? We obtain the data according to statement. After that, we simplify that question. Let's see its solution. Understand? First of all, we know that the first 6 multiples of the first 6 we know that the first 6 multiples of 5 are, we know that the first 6 multiples of 5 are 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 and 30. These are the first 6 multiples of 5. Now what we do? We find their mean. Thus the required mean. Thus the required mean is what? 5 plus 10 plus 15 plus 20 plus 25 plus 30 divided by which numbers? Divided by 5. Okay. Now we adding them. Let's see. This is 25, 5, 30, 20, 50 plus this is 5. This is 5 upon divided by 5. So we get what? 5, 5, 10. 105 upon 5. 5 2s are 10. 5 1s are 5. Thus the required solution of the given question is 21. This is our required solution of the given question. Okay. Now students, we take some other important question. Now we are going to discuss next topic of that chapter, which is median. Let's see. We discuss about the topic median. What is the concept of median, dear students? You know that median is the middlemost value of any observations of the given observations. Okay, okay dear students, median is the middlemost value. Okay, median is the middlemost value of the given observations. Okay dear students, now look, so in this way median is the middlemost value. Suppose that we write an observation 1 2 3 4 5. So in that observation the middlemost value is what? In that observation the middlemost value is 3. So 3 is your median of this data. Okay, this is thus in this way we can say that median is that value of the given observation which divides the given set of observation into equal parts. Okay, so median is that value of observations, that value of any observation which divides the given observation or series or set of observation into equal parts. So this is the concept of median. Okay, dear student, to find the median of any observations, to calculating the median of any observations, first of all what I do, dear student, to finding the median of any observation, first of all we arrange the given observations. First of all we arrange the given observations in ascending or descending order. Generally dear student, we arrange the given observations in ascending order. Okay, after that we apply after that there are two conditions are there. Let's see one by one. Dear students, first of all we arrange to find the median of any observation. First of all we first step is what? Arrange. Step first में क्या करना है बेटा? In step first arrange the given observation. Arrange the given observations in ascending order. Okay, dear student, first of all arrange the given observations in ascending order. Okay dear students, now in step 2, we observe that ki first of all in second step you count the number of observation, count the number of observations. Suppose we take as n. In second, first of all we arrange the given observation in ascending order. In second step we count the number of observations, that is n. Here there are two cases. Case first is what? Case first is what? If n is odd, dear friends, then the median will be what? N plus 1 upon 12th observation. Okay, dear student, if first condition is what? If n is odd, then in that condition then the median will be what? N plus 1 upon 12th observations. Okay, then the median what? N plus 1 upon 12th observation. Case 2 is what? Let's see. If n is even, then the median will be, the median is what? N by 12th observation plus n by 2 plus 1th observation. Okay, when n is even, then in that condition the median is what? N by 2th observation plus n by 2 plus 1th observation upon 2 upon 2. Okay, so this is the concept of median. There are two important conditions are there. First of all, you arrange the given observations in ascending order. After that, after ascending the given observation, after arranging the given observation in ascending order, then after you count the number of observations, give how many total number of observations are there. After that, case first arise when n is odd, then in that condition the median will be n plus 1 upon 2th observation. Okay, if n is even means divisible by 2, like 10, 8, 6, 4, etc. Then in that condition the median will be n by 2th observation plus n by 2 plus 1th observation divided by 2. Okay, means the mean of the average of the middle two most values of the any observation. Now we take some important question based on medians. Let's see. We take some important question of your NCERT exercise based on the median. Let's see, dear students. Let's see, dear students. Find the median of the following values. The question is find the median of the following values, and your values are 37, 31, 42, 37, 31, 42, 43, 46, 43, 46, 25, 39, 25, 39, 45, 32. Okay, here this is the question here, and in that question we find the median of the given value. Now let's see its solution, dear friends. Just I discussed about that in first step. First of all, we arrange the given values in ascending order. Okay, arrange it in ascending order. We get, let's see what we get. First of all, we write what, dear student? 31. Then after we write as what? 32. Okay, then after we write as what? 37. Then after we write as, first of all we write 25. Okay, then 31, then 32, then 37. Then after 39. Then after 42. Then after 43. Then after 45. Then after 46. Okay. Now, after arranging the given values in ascending order, then after what we do? So let's see. After that we count the number of observations. How many observations are there? Let's see. Total observation. Total observations. How many observations? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Total observation 9. This is what? Odd number. This is what? Odd number. Okay, that is median will be the middlemost value. Generally you says that one this is 39. Okay, let's see by the help of the formula, that is median is what? N by 1 upon n plus 1 upon 2th observation. Okay, the median is what? N by 2 n plus 1 upon 2th observation. So and here n plus 1 upon 2th observation is what? Let's see. Here n is what? 9, to 9 plus 1 upon 2th observation means 10 by 2th observation. 10, 2 5 is 10 means what? Fifth observation. Now what we do, dear student? Now you calculating from the starting, and the fifth observation is your median, which is answer. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is 39. So here you write what? 39. This is your required solution of the given question. Thus, dear students, in this way you can solve each, and first of all you revise all the questions which we discussed in that class. After that you can solve each and every question of your NCERT exercise based on the topic median. Okay, so first of all you practice all the questions which we discussed in that class. Now dear student, we discuss the next topic, which is last topic of the chapter which is mode of the data. Let's see. First of all, we clear the concept of what is the mode. Okay, mode is what? What is the mode? Mode is the value which occur most frequently in a set of observations. What is the mode? Mode is the value. Mode is the value which occurs most frequently. Which occurs, okay, dear students, which occur most frequently in a set of observation. In a set of observation. This is very easy concept, with very easy and important concept of mode. Okay, key mode is the value which occurs most frequently in a set of observations. Okay, this is very easy. Okay, and now we take some question based on the mode. Okay, suppose that we take a question, find the mode of the observations, and your observation is 3, 7, 4, 5, 6, 7, 11, 13, 3. Okay, now let's see here. Here we have some set of observation. Here we have a set of observations are there, and we find the mode of the observation. I discussed about that. The mode is the value which occurs most frequently in the set of observations. So here the set of observation are there. So how many terms are involved in that? Let's see. Here 3 is involved. Here 4. Here 5 letters also are there. 5 is also are there. 6 is also there. 6 is also there, 7 is also there, 9 is also there, 11 is also there, and 13 is also there. Now we find that which observation is most frequently. Now let's see, 3 occurs in how many times? 1, 2, 3 times. This is occurs in 3 times. 4 occurs in 1 times. 5 occurs in 1 times. Okay. 6 occurs in 1. How many times? 1 times. 7 occurs in 1, 2, 3, 4 times. 7 occurs 4 times. 9 occurs 1 times. 11 occurs 1 times, and 13 occurs 1 time. So which observation is occur most frequently? This is 7. Means 7 occurs in 4 times in the given set observation. Thus the mode of the given data is 7. Okay, Jason. So this is our required solution of the given question. Thus, dear student, in this way, today class we take and revise a very important chapter of your NCERT exercise, which is data handling. Now, first of all, you revise all the important concepts which we discussed in that class. That is mean, median, and mode. Okay. Now, after that, you can solve each and every question of your NCERT exercise. Now dear student, in next class we take and revise a very important chapter of your NCERT exercise, congruency of triangle. Okay dear student. Now thanks to all.